Hello again, this is Rodolfo Eric Angat, your teacher in Earth and Environmental Science. Today we'll be discovering about Earth's rotation and revolution. Earth's rotation and revolution are the first two motion of Earth in space. Of course, the third one is precession, and we'll be learning about that third motion of Earth in the future. For today, we'll be learning more or we'll be discovering more about rotation and about revolution. You have to remember that both rotation and revolution are happening counterclockwise when it comes to Earth and also most of the planets in the solar system. And the others will be learning more about that also in the future. So for now, let's define rotation. Rotation is defined as when Earth spins on its axis. The cycle of rotation is completed in 24 hours, which is equivalent to 1 day. I can also say 1 day and 1 night. Now, rotation is the reason why we are experiencing day and night. The hemisphere of the Earth that is facing the sun is experiencing daytime, but when the Earth rotates or when the Earth spins on its axis, the other hemisphere is now the one facing the sun. So that hemisphere that used to be experiencing nighttime is now experiencing daytime, and the hemisphere that was experiencing daytime earlier is now experiencing nighttime. So as the Earth spins on its axis or as it rotates on its axis, as you can see here in a counterclockwise direction, we get to experience day and night. Now you probably are asking, is Earth really tilted? Yes, it is. And this tilt is the one responsible why we have seasons. We have 4 seasons here in the United States. We have winter, spring, summer, and fall because Earth is tilted on its axis at 23.5 degrees. Okay? Now let's now go to revolution. Revolution is when Earth orbits or revolves around the sun, or we can also say around the barycenter of the solar system. Revolution is completed in 365 and 1/4 of a day or 0.25 day. And that's the reason why we have a leap year every 4 years. Why do we have a leap year every 4 years? Because our year is only composed of 365 days. So we are owing a quarter of a day every year, and that quarter of a day is paid every 4 years. So 4 quarters is one, and one is paid up by adding 1 day in the month of February during the leap year. So remember, Earth's rotation is responsible for day and night. Earth's tilt is responsible for the seasons. And Earth's revolution right here is responsible for the changing of the constellations or positions of the stars in the night sky. Of course, you don't see the stars during the daytime, but they are there. It's just too bright. So I said night sky, okay? So always remember that Earth's rotation, 24 hours, is completed. Earth's revolution is completed in 365 and 1/4 days. Earth's tilt at 23.5 degrees is responsible for the seasons. Okay, so thank you and see you again next time. Bye-bye, guys.